Hello and welcome to the FSD Cloud training video number 1. This video is assuming that you are using the netbook provided by the school district. If you aren't and need to access the FSD Cloud, please visit the Florence County School District webpage and access the link there. Now, once you log into your netbook, you'll notice that there's not too much on your screen because the netbook is just a way to provide you quick access to the FSD Cloud. On your desktop, you'll notice there's an FSD Cloud icon and a recycle bin. Please double-click the FSD Cloud. When you double-click this icon, it's actually connecting to our network. You'll see it opens up in a web browser. You can maximize this if you would like. Down here is where you would want to enter your username and password. In this video, I'm going to show you a teacher login, and I'll show you a student login. So first, let's use the teacher. And we'll click Login. This brings us actually into our network. This web browser is opening up our cloud, and what you see on your screen is actually just a representation of something controlled by the IT technician and can customize according to different users. This is the teacher login. You'll notice there's some icons stuck right up here on the desktop, like My Big Campus, My Files, Outlook, and 2 different skywords. And we'll get more into these in the next video. You'll also notice down here on the bottom, instead of a start button, there's a WN, a web network. If you click it, it will show you the most recently used programs here as you go along. You'll also notice there's a start. Now there's not too much available here right now in our start menu. As the school year goes on, this will change. And there's a password manager, which we'll go into more detail later. But this is the teacher login. Now let's look at a student login. So I'm going to log off, and I can do this by clicking the logout button. Now, if you had previously had troubles logging in and it did not work, you may want to run this system check. What this will do is go through your computer and tell you if there's any installations that you need to do, like Java or different kinds of software or hardware. But we're assuming that everything worked fine. Now we'll put our student in. And we'll log in. Now, just much like the teacher, the student login is very similar for now. And like I said, things will change. The only thing you'll notice is that there's only one Skyward icon. There's not this Skyward staff, only Skyward family. Right? But down here, this is still the same. Students will also have access to this password manager, which will go, once again, into more detail as the training videos continue on. But that's it on the quick tutorial on how to log in to the FSD Cloud. If you should have any questions, please email the IT technician at Florence County School District, or feel free to notify your teacher if you are a student.